Good day, friends. Fat to Fit is here to help you lose fats, gain muscles, and stay healthier like never before. Hello, and welcome to the fourth chapter of the free course on food, nutrition, and health. Today, we're going to talk about proteins. Now, you see, there are two main aspects of protein that we would cover in this module: what is protein, and the functions of protein in the human body. So, what exactly is protein? Protein comes from a Greek word proteus, meaning primary or first place. They are highly complex substances that is present in all living organisms. Proteins, along with carbohydrates and fats, are collectively known as macronutrients. Proteins are fundamental structure and functional elements within each and every cell of the body and are involved in a wide range of metabolic interactions. All cells and tissues contain protein. Therefore, protein is essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of good health. Now, you see, proteins are made up of building blocks called amino acids. There are about 20 different amino acids that link together in different combinations. Your body uses them to make new proteins such as muscles and bone, and other compounds such as enzymes and hormones. It can also use them as a source of energy. Now, proteins are used for a variety of different purposes in the body, like the growth and maintenance, biochemical reactions, acting as a messenger, providing structure, and many other. Let us understand all these aspects in an elaborated manner. Number one, growth and maintenance. Your body needs protein for growth and maintenance of tissues. Under normal circumstances, your body breaks down the same amount of protein that it uses to build and repair tissue. Other time, it breaks down more protein than it can create, thus increasing your body's needs, like say when you're working out intensely in the gym or at home. This can also typically happen in periods of illness, during pregnancy, and even while breastfeeding. People recovering from an injury or surgery, older adults, and athletes require more proteins as well. Number two, various biochemical reactions. Enzymes are proteins that aid in thousands of biochemical reactions that takes place within and outside of your cells. Now, for those who are not aware, enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up or decrease the rate of a biological reaction. Enzymes may also function outside the cell, such as the digestive enzymes like lactase and sucrase, which helps in digestion of sugar. There are many other biochemical processes in the body that require enzymes like digestion, energy production, blood clotting, and muscular contraction. Lack of improper functions of these enzymes can result in diseases. Proteins also act as a messenger. Some proteins are hormones, which are chemical messengers that aid in communication between your cells, tissues, and organs. Now you see, they are made and secreted by endocrine tissues or gland and then transported into your blood to the target tissues or organs where they bind to protein receptors on the surface of the cell. Now, hormones can be grouped into three main categories. Number one, proteins and peptides. These are made from chain of amino acids ranging from few to several hundred. Steroids. These are made from fats, cholesterol. The sex hormones like testosterone and estrogens are steroid based. And the third, amines. These are made from individual amino acids like tryptophan or tyrosine, which helps make hormones related to sleep and metabolism. Proteins and polypeptides make up most of your body's hormones. Some examples of hormones includes insulin that signals the uptake of glucose or sugar into the cells, thereby reducing the level of glucose in the blood. Glucagon that signals the breakdown of stored glucose in the liver. HGH or human growth hormone that stimulates the growth of various tissues including bone. ADH, antidiuretic hormone, signals the kidney to reabsorb water. Adrenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH that stimulates the release of cortisol, a key factor in metabolism. Now, proteins also provide structure. Some proteins are fibrous and provide cells and tissue with stiffness and rigidity. These proteins include keratin, collagen, and elastin, which form the connective framework of certain structures in your body. Keratin is a structural protein that is found in your skin, hair, nail. Collagen is mostly abundant in the body and is the structural protein of your bones, tendon, ligaments, and skin. Elastin, on the other hand, is several hundred times more flexible than collagen. Its high elasticity allows many tissues in your body to return to their original shape after stretching or contracting, such as your uterus and lungs and arteries. Number 5. Proteins play a vital role in regulating the concentrations of acids and bases in your blood and other bodily fluids. The balances between the acids and bases is measured using the pH scale. It ranges from 0 to 14, with 0 being the most acidic, 7 being neutral, and 14 the most alkaline. For example, stomach acid has a pH of 2, tomato juice has a pH of 4, black coffee pH 5, and human blood pH 7.4. A constant pH is necessary as even a slight change in the pH can be harmful or potentially very deadly. Now, proteins also balances fluid. Protein regulate body processes to maintain the fluid balance. Albumin and globulins are proteins in your blood that help to maintain your body fluid balance by attracting and retaining water. If you don't eat enough proteins, your level of albumin and globulin will eventually decrease. Consequently, these proteins can no longer keep blood in your blood vessels, and the fluid will be forced into the spaces between yourself. As the fluid continues to build up in the spaces between your cell, swelling or edema occurs, particularly in the stomach region. This is a form of severe protein malnutrition called kwashiorkor that develops when a person is consuming enough calories but does not consume enough proteins. Now, proteins also boost your immunity. Proteins help form immunoglobulins or antibodies to fight infection. Antibodies are proteins in your blood that help protect your body from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Especially at this time of pandemic, it is important to have adequate proteins. When these foreign invaders enter your cell, your body produces antibodies that tag them for elimination. Without these antibodies, bacteria and viruses would be free to multiply and overwhelm your body with disease they can cause. Once your body has produced antibody against a particular bacteria or virus, your cells never forget how to make them again. This allows the antibodies to respond quickly the next time a particular disease agent invades your body. As a result, your body develops immunity against the disease to which it is exposed. Number 8. Transports and stored nutrients. Transport proteins carry substances throughout your bloodstream into the cells and out of the cells or within the cells. The substances that are transported by proteins include nutrients like vitamins or minerals, blood sugar, cholesterol, and oxygen. For example, hemoglobin is a protein that carries oxygen from lungs to body tissue. Glucose transporters move glucose to your cells, while lipoprotein transport cholesterol and other fats in your blood. Protein transporters are specific, meaning that they will only bind to a specific substance. In other words, a protein transporter that moves glucose will not move cholesterol, and vice versa. Proteins also have a storage role. Ferritin is a storage protein that stores iron. Another storage protein is casein, which is the principal protein in milk that help babies grow. Now, proteins also provide us energy. Protein can supply your body with energy. Protein contains 4 calories per gram, the same amount of energy that carbohydrates provide. Fats supply the most energy at 9 calories per gram. However, the last thing that your body wants to use for energy is protein, since it is valuable nutrient is widely used throughout the body. Carbs and fats are much better suited to provide energy as your body maintains reserve for such fuel. Moreover, they are metabolized more efficiently compared to protein. In fact, protein supplies your body with very little amount of its energy needs under normal circumstances. However, in a state of fasting, say 18 to 48 hours of no food intake, your body breaks down skeletal muscles so that amino acids can be supplied to you to as to provide energy. Your body also uses amino acids from broken down skeletal muscles if carbohydrate storage is low. This can occur after exhaustive exercise or if you don't consume enough calories in general. However, there's a good amount of carbohydrate in the form of glycogen in your liver and muscles. Proteins will be spared. Hence, you need not be afraid of fasting. So you see that protein plays a vital role in a variety of different things, and it is essential that we consume adequate amount of protein on a daily basis. In the next chapter, we would cover digestion, metabolism, and the types of protein. If you have any questions about the topic of discussion today, please post your queries in the comments and I would get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you found the information valuable and I'd like to thank you for watching it. Take care of yourself and your family. I'll see you in my next video.